Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create this realistic third degree burn. So now let's get straight into the video. So you would need plastic gel, silicone type A and type B. For this video I am using plastic gel from Mold Life. You can also get yours from SFX Smart. They also sell silicone that can be used for this tutorial as well. So now you're going to cover the hair, and I covered it firstly with a wig cap, then I'm going over it with a clean film. The reason why I'm using this is to create a base for me to apply the silicone. Next thing you want to do is to block out the brows. Why you're going to do this is so that the hair doesn't rip off while you're taking off the prosthetics you'll be applying on her face. So I'm blocking it with a baby oil, and then I went over this application with a shea butter just for more protection. You can do with the baby oil if you want to, but I needed extra protection. That's why I'm using the shea butter as well. So after mixing your type A and type B, I am adding my foundation to act as a pigment, the same shade of her skin, and after that I'm covering the eye. And the reason why I'm doing this is to create like a realistic look whereby the eye looks like it has melted with the skin. So you want to do this gently, and once we're done you mix your type A and type B, and then we go straight into the application. And this particular silicone I'm using is a very fast curing silicone, so you need to be fast with your application so that the silicone doesn't dry on you. So we have some silicone that is 1 hour working time, we have silicone for 2 hours working time. It depends on how fast you are. Next up is painting. So for this painting, I'm using the brush wheel from SFX Makeup. So this painting part is very crucial. You need to be well detailed while doing this. This can make or mar your whole prosthetics. So for the deeper parts, I'm using the red color just to create like a depth in the wounds and make it look very realistic. So I'm going to play with colors like red, black, yellow, and pink. So now we're going over the whole prosthetics with the baby oil to create this shiny look, and it helps to make the burn effect look very realistic. I hope you guys are learning this, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. We have so much videos coming up on this page. Please subscribe. So for this part, I am going over the whole prosthetics with fake blood, and this helps to create a more fresh looking burn.